Bathukamma. About the festival Bathukamma. Bathukamma is a colorful and vibrant festival of Telangana and celebrated by women with flowers that grow exclusively in each region. This festival is a symbol of Telangana's cultural identity and its official festival. Bathukamma comes during the later half of monsoon before the onset of winter. The festival begins on Mahalaya Amavasya day and culminates on Durgashtami day during the Dashara Navaratri. The monsoon rains usually brings plenty of water into the freshwater ponds of Telangana, and it is also the time when wildflowers bloom in various vibrant colors all across the uncultivated and barren plains of the region. Bathukamma celebrations. During Bathukamma festival, the women folk arrange colorful seasonal flowers in a cone-shaped structure on a wide plate, place a small idol of goddesses Gauri, that is Parvati, made of turmeric paste on top of the floral cone and worship her. For making the colorful cone-shaped Bathukamma, the women folk mostly use locally available seasonal flowers like gunuka or gungupulu and thangadi. Other flowers like banti, chamanti, tiyagummadi puvvu, gaddi puvvu, etc. are also used for the floral arrangement. Such a unique way of flower arrangement during the festival is known as Bathukamma. Bathuku is a Telugu word which means life, and the Telugu word Amma refers to mother. The word Bathukamma is derived from Bathukunu Iche Amma, that is, the mother who gives life. In this context, it is goddesses Gauri Devi who is the life giver to the married woman. Hence, the women make Bathukamma and worship her for 9 continuous days for a happy and prosperous married life. Bathukamma names: Engili Pula Bathukamma, Atukula Bathukamma, Muddapappu Bathukamma, Nanabiyyam Bathukamma, Atla Bathukamma, Aligina Bathukamma, Vepakayala Bathukamma, Vennamuddala Bathukamma, and the last one is Saddula Bathukamma. As per custom, married women visit their parents' place to celebrate the festival. For 1 complete week, they make small Bathukammas, play around them every evening, and immerse them in a nearby water pond. The last 2 days are very important. Last day is known as Saddula Bathukamma and is celebrated in a grand way. On the last day, they gather the flowers like gunuka and thangadi, and the entire household sits down to make a big Bathukamma. The flowers are carefully arranged row after row in a brass plate called tambalam in circular rows and in alternate colors. As evening approaches, the women folk dress colorfully with the best of their attire and adorn lot of ornaments and place the Bathukamma in their courtyard. The women of neighborhood also gather in a large circle around it. They start singing songs by circling it repeatedly, building a beautiful human circle of unity, love, and sisterhood. After playing in circles around the Bathukammalu, before the onset of dusk, the women folk carry them on their heads and move as a procession towards a bigger water body near the village or town. The procession is extremely colorful with the decorations of women and the Bathukammalu. Songs of folklore are sung in chorus throughout the procession. Finally, when they reach the water pond, the Bathukammalu are slowly immersed into the water after some more playing and singing. Then they share the Malida sweet, which is a dessert made with sugar or raw sugar and cornbread, amongst the family members and neighborhood folks. Bathukamma story. Bathukamma Festival has many myths behind its festivity, and one among it is once upon a time there was a king named Darbangada who belonged to the Chola dynasty. This particular king largely ruled over South India. His wife gave birth to a girl child after many years of rituals and prayers. She was named as Princess Lakshmi. She survived many unforeseen accidents and incidents in life. The parents felt life and death while bringing up their only child. Later, they named their daughter as Bathukamma. According to the Telugu language, Bathuku means life and Amma means mother. Since then, this particular Bathukamma festival is grandly celebrated by young girls in Telangana region in India. The main purpose of this particular festival is to pray with devotion to the goddesses in the strong belief that all young girls would get their beloved husbands and as per desire and wish soon. On the other hand, married women, along with their household friends and relatives, celebrate this festival in order to pray to goddesses for prosperity and good health for their family. Significance of celebrating Bathukamma. Bathukamma celebrates the inherent relationship between earth, water, and the human beings. During the entire preceding week, women make Buddemma, a deity of Gauri, Mother Durga, made with earthly mud, along with Bathukamma and immerse it in the pond. This helps reinforce the ponds and helps it retain more water. The flowers used in Bathukamma have a great quality of purifying water, and such flowers, when immersed in abundance into the pond, have the effect of cleansing the water and making the environment much better. The festival heralds the beauty of nature, collective spirit of Telangana people, the indomitable spirit of women folks, and also the scientific approach of the agrarian people towards preserving the resources of nature in a celebrative way. Hence, Bathukamma is the icon of cultural identity of Telangana. Happy Bathukamma! Happy Telangana's Floral Festival, Bathukamma! Thank you.